Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 1-inch IPS touchscreen spatial for Touran. Okay, let me introduce it. Firstly, please take out this screen protector before using. It already prints the protector on the screen. Okay, here is the compass box and the special harness for Touran. It's a compass box. It's factory plug and support original USB. It's fuse box and the camera input, AUX input, left and right. Okay, this harness and the plug and play with head unit. It's built-in microphone and this reset hole. You can choose time, you can choose logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can change Volkswagen. Okay, change the logo. You can edit this theme color. Any color you can adjust the screen. Okay. All apps are here. It's DSP amplifier, Bluetooth, built-in Google Maps, it's Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. This for vehicle information, it's a decoder by compass box, open door information, battery, fuse, and warning other original car information we are decoded by compass box. Okay. This the link for mirror link is for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let me show it later. Let me check the warning. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and you can check car setting, personal setting, LED settings. You can choose red, green, this button color, green, blue, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. And let me check the boot machine. You can check MCU variant, CPU octa-core memory size 4GB, PX5, Android 9 Pie system, octa-core. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB. Okay, let me show the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. Okay, firstly let me introduce the Android Auto. You need the original USB. Original USB from your iPhone or Android phone. Okay, there are two USB cable. Let me connect one of USB. Okay, connected. This is my Android phone Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay, it shows connecting. Okay, it's connected to the Android, but it shows nothing. So you need to set it in the settings. Settings, find car setting, driver setting, turn on the watch video. and let me try again. Okay, it shows Android Auto. You can play music. You can play Spotify, Pandora, other music. This navigation. It's ways. It's ways, and support Waze and Google Maps. Okay, this is Android Auto. Let me show the Bluetooth. Its phone number, device name, and PIN number. You need to enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. It's Bluetooth. Press enable it and click search button. Click pair button. Connect the Galaxy S8. Your phone will get command, please put the 40. Click OK. Connect for all call, it show icon, Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. You can stream music from your phone. Bluetooth volume from your phone. Okay. This is USB hub. Our header unit supports USB hub. Therefore, switch button is for USB. Okay. Let me connect one of USB cable for USB hub. This USB hub, you can check USB hub switch light on. Connect one of USB. It plays music automatically. This DSP amplifier. Okay, it's supposed to sleep mode of dual screen. It supports running Google Navigation and Google Music at the same time. Okay, let me show the video. It's 4K Samsung 4K demo video around the world. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.